Good morning, students. 11th question. In a school, classes 1 to 12. 12 classes are there, and each class has 3 sections. How many? 3 sections. So, students, and each class will plant according to their class number. So, trees planted by class 1. First class, 1 tree, total sections 3, that is equal to 3 trees they planted. And class 2, trees planted by class 2, 2 plants they have to plant. There are 3 sections, that is 2 into 3, that is equal to 6. And class 3 are trees planted by class 3, third class, and each class has to plant, each section has to plant 3 trees, that is equal to 9 total. And so on, trees planted by the 12th class, number is 12, and each section has to plant 3 trees, 3 sections. So 12 into 3, that is equal to 36. Total trees planted, that is equal to 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus so on plus 36. Here a1 is equal to 3 and an is equal to 36, n is equal to 12. Classes are 12. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an, that is equal to 12 by 2 into 3 plus 36, that is equal to 6 into 39. And if you multiply, we get 234. That are the total trees planted by the students. Okay, 234. 12th question. If you observe the figure, in that we can say that given semicircles L1, L2, L3, so on, L13, 13 semicircles are there. That spiral consists of 13 semicircles with centers A, D, A, B. Alternately it changes. Okay, now of radii. First radii is 0.5 centimeters, and second radii it is 1 centimeter. We can write 2 into 0.5, that is equal to 1, and third radius is 3 into 0.5, that is 1.5 centimeters, so on, like that up to 13. 13th radius is 13 into 0.5, that is equal to 6.5. Now we have the formula. So the length of the semicircle is pi r. Therefore length of spiral is equal to pi r1 plus pi r2 plus pi r3, so on, plus pi r13. If I take pi common, r1 plus r2 plus r3 plus so on r13, and that is equal to pi into, if you substitute the value 0.5 plus 1 plus 1.5 plus so on 6.5, and if you substitute pi value 22 by 7 into 0.5, if you take common, we get 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on up to 13, and that is equal to 22 into 0.5 into by 7 into 13 by 2 into 1 plus 13, that is equal to 22 into 0.5 into 13 into 14 by 14 is equal to 11 into 13, and that is equal to total length of spiral is equal to 143. Next, 13th question. Total logs is equal to 200, and logs in first row it is 20, and second row 19, third row 18, so on. Now we have to find these 200 logs in how many rows they are arranged. That is the question. That is 20, 19, 18, 17, so on. Here a1 is 20 and a2 is equal to 19, a3 is equal to 18. Then we have to find common difference. A d is equal to a2 minus a1, that is 19 minus 20 is equal to minus 1, and d is equal to a3 minus a2, that is equal to 18 minus 19, and that is also equal to minus 1. Hence the common difference is same. We can say that it is an AP. Sn is equal to last is 200, and yes, n is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, that is equal to 200 is equal to n by 2 into 20 plus n minus 1 into minus 1. 200 is equal to n by 2 into 40 minus n plus 1, that implies 40 is equal to cross multiply n into 41 minus n implies 41 n minus n square minus 400 square. It's a quadratic equation, implies n square minus 41 n plus 400 square, and split into the factors. N square minus 25 n minus 16 n plus 400 is equal to 0 implies n common n minus 25 minus 16 common n minus 25, and that is equal to 0 implies n minus 25 into n minus 16 is equal to 0, n minus 25 is equal to 0 implies n is equal to 25, n minus 16 is equal to 0 implies n is equal to 16. Therefore number of rows is 16. Why? Because in the first row it has 20 logs, no? Therefore we can consider here the number of rows is equal to 16. Next, the last question, that is 14th question. If you observe the figure, First ball, the distance from the first ball and the bucket is 5 meters, and the distance from the second ball and the and bucket is 5 plus 3, that is 8 meters. We can write 5 plus 1 into 3, and the distance from the third ball and bucket is equal to 5 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 11. Then we can write 5 into 5 plus 2 into 3, so on. The distance from the 10th ball to the bucket and the bucket, that is equal to 5. Directly we can write 5 plus 9 into 3, that is equal to 5 plus 27 is equal to 32 meters. Okay, now students, distance traveled. Now we have to write the distance traveled in picking up the balls, first ball, second ball, so on, like 10 balls, and dropping in the bucket. That is equal to, we can write here 5 into 2 and 8 into 2 and 11 into 2, so on, 13 into 2. Why? Because once is picking and dropping, no. So that is equal to 16 comma 22 comma so on 64. And next, a1 is equal to, here we can write a1 is equal to 10 and a2 is equal to 16 and a3 is equal to 22. Then we have to find the common difference, whether it is an AP or not. D is equal to a2 minus a1 is equal to 16 minus 10 is equal to 6. In the same way, D is equal to a3 minus a2, that implies 22 minus 16. Here also we are getting the same value 6, hence the common difference is same. Then we can say it is an AP. Clearly it is an AP. If the difference is same, then we can say that is an AP. The list is an AP. Then the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula used for finding the sum of n numbers or n terms. Then we can substitute here, n value is 10. Yes, 10 is equal to n is 10 by 2 into 2a value is 10 plus n is 10 minus 1 into d is, we got just now we got 6. So 2 ones are 2 5s are, and into 2 tens are 20 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 into 6. Then we get here 5 into 20 plus 9 6 are 54, and that implies, or that is equal to, or we may write total distance traveled by the competitor or the person who is playing in the game. S10 is equal to 5 into 74, and that is equal to 370 meters.